Today we're going to be doing playing with bug bugs, eating dinner, and doing that. So, there's all Minecraft. So, my sister's just playing Minecraft. This is our dinner. You guys see that? It's so good. It is?
Just on one side?
Mmm. This is good. I'm just playing Minecraft.
Is it good?
Oh. Have water. Oh, they're right behind me. Ah. Help me.
You guys can have a banana with that if you're still hungry afterwards.
Uh-huh.
I figured it's a big sandwich. It's pretty filling.
Especially with my problem. Whatever it's called. Lactose intolerant. I can't have that much cheese. Mommy,
What?
why do I have to take pills and stuff?
What do you mean?
Can I be like, I don't like really taking pills.
You didn't even take them today.
I haven't.
If you want to stop your Zoloft, you can stop it. But you need to take a Pfizer. Do you feel that
This is good.
you would be okay without the Zoloft? Like, can you try to get happier and just deal with things and try to take space and learn coping skills, calm down?
I'll try. But I just don't want to quit so fast.
Huh?
I just don't want to quit so fast.
So instead of doing your milligram increase, why don't we go back down to the 50, just the 50s, and then we'll break that in half and give you 25, and then we'll stop it. You want to do that? It's up to you. I don't know unless you want pills either.
Just like I said, I didn't want to.
You did want to. You wanted to try it. No. What happened is you let me on your fucking ear. That's what happened.
No, I did not. They suggested it. Not me. Them. It's really hard eating with a half of a front tooth and no front tooth. But look, I'm growing a tooth back here, so they're going to be crooked. This one's going to be frontwards, and this one's going to be backwards.
Shut.
It's going to be weird. Why did you say out shut? No, why did you say shut up? I didn't. No, I'm talking to Mom. Whoa, look at my cave. I just found this new one. And look how big it is. There's that part. There's that part. There's that part over there. There's this part. Well, oh my god. Oh. We need to put some torches in there. You are? Mm-hmm. Holy moly, that's big. I know. That's how big it goes that way. We'll wait until you see the other part. There's a piggy! Look at that piggy. I think it went that way. There's a family of pigs! You guys might not know how I love pigs. my favorite animals. If you guys didn't know. Ooh, there's another part of this cave. Show them. Show them. I'll fly. Is that part of your cave? Yeah. Watch. I'll show them where I came from. I came from right... Seriously, I fell inside of it. Right here. You guys might see that. So I came this way. That way. That way. I went that way. 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 And it's still going. Like, oh my god. Sure. I never mean to swear like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's enough. It's gonna be pretty long, guys. Keep on saying that. I fell. It does not have. I am not happy. I fell. I want to go back. I want to go back. I want to go back. Watch how I fell. I was like, I want to go back. Just like I fell in the hole. This is so big. I'm marking this. I want to go back. Go. I cannot move.
Hi, baby.
Look.
Glad you guys got some friends.
You just got 3 more friends.
I know, that's awesome. I like you guys hang out boys. Maybe you want to touch babies.
Booyah.
Oh, shut up. Mason's trying to show off and
Booyah.
show off all his coolness.
Booyah.
Sitting on the seat of a bike, going without no hands, speeding.
Yeah, Mason seems like he's bad.
How?
Booyah. Which one? That's the one with the glasses?
Yeah.
Yeah, he seems like he's, you could tell that he's different than the other one. Like,
Christian and Connor swear. No, they don't. These types of boys have in their private.
So what? He's a boy.
Not Wiener. The other one that starts with a P and ends with an S.
Okay.
No. P-E.
Penis?
Yeah.
What does have penises, dude?
You're back! It's dinner time.
Okay.
Just in time.
oh, like,
Bobby. Best friend ever. Mommy.
I'll make some.
Wait, come here.
That's pretty big. No, you need to eat it, Brittany. That's you only have one sandwich. Go.
Good. Good job. After they scored, all the United fans were saying, Wenger, we want you to stay. We want you to stay. Arsene Wenger, we want you to stay.
This probably should help with that little response.
What you guys did?
We just,
Wait, now who was that? How big is allowed to eat it. And how was the little girl in there?
This food is so good.
What, baby? Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Look at Ferguson. And look at Marino. You do.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Watch it later.
Is that good?
The goal. It's not all but
As you can see, right there is my baby doll, and then my baby doll, I guess. I don't really like baby dolls, well. They're not so fun to play with. Who? Dolls. I don't really like Mason, though.
What kind of like do you mean?
Huh?
What kind of like do you mean?
I kinda don't like Mason.
What kind of like do you mean?
I hate him.
They're actually young probably going to be playing in this club, believe it or not.
Well, I don't hate him, but he's weird. What school does he go to?
South Butler and Butler.
What's South Butler and Butler? He has the two schools?
Yeah.
Why?
One with his dad and one with his mom. He goes with his mom for the weekdays and he goes with his dad for the weekend. He never gets a break. Never. It's weird.
Guys, sad.
I'm almost finished.
That's not. She's out.
Okay, now I'm super duper Batusha full.
And we're gonna be cannot eat anything else.
I'm sure.
Then you're not getting a banana.
Ooh, pretty lighter. Orange and blue. Up here is ours. You can see. Come on. Start here. This? Here's on the dark side. Here's the very bright side. Here's the craft room, bedroom. I'm gonna do the craft first.